Hey everybody, this is Ori from AstroWeb, and I want to introduce the Magento 2 Commerce or Enterprise Edition multiple wishlist features. Okay, so this is exclusive for Commerce, and the open source edition, the community what we used to call Community Edition, only allows customers to have one wish list. So in this multiple wish list, a customer can go log in and then add products to their wish list or wish lists. So a customer can have multiple wish lists, they can have many wish lists, they can have private ones, and they can have public ones. So how does it look? So a customer would go here and have to be logged in. If you're not logged in and you want to try to add to the wish list, it'll ask you to log in. Okay, so if you click on the heart, it would add to your default wish list. For example, this is my default wish list right here. And let's look at this for a second. So what you can also do as a customer is you can hover over and you can click on the down arrow and you can see a list of all of your wish lists. Now you can create new ones by just clicking on the plus sign right here. And for example, I would call it, just for example, video wish list. Okay, and you can select, is it public or private? Let's make it public right here. Okay, so now that I have it, now I've created a wish list and I've added my first product into the wish list. If you have multiple, you can checkbox them and you can update the wish list, or you can add them to the cart. You can transfer from your wish list to your shopping cart. Okay, so that's kind of the idea. So what you also can do as a customer is you can share that wish list, right? So I can say, okay, I want to share this entire wish list, which right now I only have one product, and I want to email it to my friends. So for example, my friends at, whatever, yahoo.com, and I can send a message. And when I click on this, it'll send an email to introduce or to share the wish list to my friends. Okay, so let's look at a few things from a business standpoint. Okay, so number one is the business itself can actually view customers' wish lists. What do they have in their wish list, right? So for example, let's see here, I'm going to edit a specific customer. And I'm going to go to their wish list and I can see what they have in their wish list. Okay, so right here, wish list, and I can see all of their products right here. So I can create an order. So for example, customer service or sales, I can create orders for customers. I can transfer it from their wish list to their cart, and I can just in general view what they have inside, maybe report on it or things like that, right? So here's the wish list name and here are the products. Okay, I can filter, etc. The second thing you can do is control a few settings. So let's go to settings right here, system configuration, and I'm going to go to the customer section right here, customers and wish list. Okay, and so these are some basic settings. So I can turn wish lists on or off for the website. I can allow the maximum number of wish lists that a customer can create. So for example, a customer can create up to 5 wish lists. Okay, I can allow obviously single or multiple wish lists. And the next thing that we can do is when a customer shares a wish list, I can change that template, right? So I can change the template itself. So how do you do that? What you would do first of all is you would go to marketing and you go to email templates, which is obviously a subject for a different video we're going to create. You'd create the template itself. You can import the current wish list, which I'd have to find right here. Okay, wish list sharing. I would load it up, change the title tag, the names, etc. Maybe change the layout itself, and then I would save it. And then once I would save it, when I refresh this page, I'll have this new wish list email template, and then I can actually send it to it. So you have some settings here, some basic settings, right? The email text length, the max number of people to send to, etc. So and then some basic settings. So this is basically the idea of multiple wish lists. So really simple, a few configurations, and obviously multiple wish lists again is for commerce only. Let me know if you have any questions. Pretty basic video, very simple. Let me know if you have any questions. Be very happy to answer. Thank you.